Aquest Sant Jordi, el col·lectiu LGTB ha tornat a ser present i visible al carrer. Llibreries, autors, autores i entitats han mostrat les novetats i han tornat a expressar el seu compromís militant.
It's easy being with you. Sacred simplicity. As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the battery. I'd rather be.